Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today our word is donate. Donate is a verb, and at a B1 level, it means to give something, especially money or goods, to an organization or a person to help them. It's a really important word and something we see and hear about all the time. So let's dive in. To donate means to freely give something, usually to a charity or an organization that needs it, without expecting anything in return. It's an act of kindness and support. For example, you might donate clothes to a local charity shop or donate money to a disaster relief fund. It's a way of contributing to something bigger than yourself. Now, let's look at some synonyms, words that have similar meanings to donate. One synonym is give. For instance, instead of saying I want to donate some money, you could say I want to give some money. Another synonym is contribute. A sentence using contribute could be, she decided to contribute her time to the animal shelter. Another possibility is offer. You can say, they offered their help to the community cleanup. Or how about present? In a more formal setting, you might present a gift, which is a form of donation. Consider this. The company presented a large sum of money to the hospital. Lastly, we have the word provide. Example, the government aims to provide aid to those in need. All these words share the sense of giving something freely. Now, let's consider antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning to donate. A key antonym is receive. While donate means to give, receive means to take or get something. For example, I received a gift for my birthday. Another antonym is take. You take something instead of giving it away. For instance, please don't take things without asking. We also have the word keep. To keep something is the opposite of donating it. I decided to keep my old clothes instead of donating them. Another is withhold. To withhold means to hold something back, not to give it. As an example, the company decided to withhold their donation this year due to financial difficulties. Finally, we can think of retain. To retain is similar to keep, meaning to hold on to something. For example, they chose to retain the funds for their own project. These antonyms highlight the contrasting idea of keeping something for yourself instead of giving it to others. Now, how can we use donate in everyday life? Well, you might be talking to a friend and say, I'm going to donate some books to the library. Or you might see a collection box in a shop and think, I should donate some spare change. You can also use it when talking about blood donation. Have you ever donated blood? Common expressions also involve donation. You might hear about a blood donation drive or a charity donation. Let's look at some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. We encourage everyone to donate what they can. They set up a website to collect donations for the victims of the earthquake. You can donate online or by sending a check. The museum gratefully accepts donations of artifacts. The organization relies on donations to continue its work. She regularly donates her time to the soup kitchen. Consider donating to a cause you care about. All donations are tax-deductible. The school is holding a donate-a-thon to raise money for new equipment. They made a generous donation to the hospital's research fund. He felt good about donating his old furniture to a family in need. Small donations can make a big difference. The charity is seeking donations to help provide food and shelter. We appreciate your willingness to donate to our cause. I plan to donate some toys before Christmas. Many people donate to animal shelters. You can donate via our website at any time. Every dollar donated helps us achieve our goals. They donate a percentage of their profits to environmental causes. The company donated computers to the local school. I often donate to organizations that support children. The event raised a lot of donations for cancer research. We're thankful for your donation of clothes. She decided to donate a kidney to her brother. They were pleased to donate to such a worthy cause. So, to summarize, donate means to give something to help, whether it's money, goods, or your time. Synonyms include give, contribute, offer, present, and provide, while antonyms include receive, take, keep, withhold, and retain. Remember, donating is a powerful way to make a positive impact on the world. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. And now, I'd love to see how you use the word donate. Please create your own sentence using the word donate and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, happy learning!